everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on SIBONGILE and the DLAMINIS from the 13th to the 15th of November 2023 on Monday. Nomalanga exposes the keys to the Dlamini family and demand they fire SIBONGILE. Zakes admit to tracking Velep using the new phone, but he turned the table on her when he wants to have a paternity test done on Mangoba on Tuesday. Under the looming threat of Sokaba, says Ferry, Kwenzo's desperate proclamation of love for Nomalanga saves him, but for SIBONGILE, destiny isn't as kind. With Zakes unwavering on the paternity test, Velep seeks Deliwe, the only ally who might hold the key to her salvation on Wednesday. In a shocking turn of events, the helpers down tools in solidarity with SIBONGILE, but Peteni fires all of them. Despite Deliwe's manipulation, Zakes takes Mangoba for a DNA test without Velep's knowledge. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.